Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing an iPhone 7 128GB model which I have purchased from Too Good website. It's a second-hand marketplace from Flipkart. As you can see, the package is in good condition. Let me open this so that I can know how it is. The package is wrapped in bubble wraps. There is no visible damage to the box. I hope it's in good condition. As you can see, the package is sealed by the seller. First of all, let me tell you something. A like new model does not mean it's a brand new phone. It's just that it has not been used. It may be manufactured one or 2 years back, but it has not been used at all. And there is a 1 year warranty from the seller. And that's all like new model means. It doesn't mean that you will get an Apple warranty straight from them. Let me open this. As you can see, there is a thank you note from the seller, digitally store. They have given the contact address and everything. Also, there is a warranty card from the third party seller. It's from F1 Infocom, I think. It's actually a Apple authorized service center. Let me tell you clearly that this warranty is from a third party seller and the phone has not been used at all. That's what like new model means. There will not be a scratch, single scratch, and everything will be original. Cover, box, everything. Packages, yeah, everything is here. Stickers and all. SIM ejector tools, everything is here. Let me see the phone. Yeah, I'll keep it there for some time till I open all the other things. The charger seems to be genuine. Then there is the headset. It's also unused, real one. Then there is this USB cable, lightning cable, and that is also unused. By the looks of it, everything looks brand new. I mean, unboxed and not used one. Let me tear open the stickers and see how the phone looks like. In first look, I don't see any scratches or anything. It's as if it's a new model, new fresh phone. The sides and everywhere there is not even a single scratch to be seen. Let me turn this phone on and see how it works. Yeah, Apple logo is there. Feels good to see this because I have been little afraid to order from Too Good after seeing so many bad reviews. Let me configure this phone and connect it to my Wi-Fi network so that I can activate it and see how it fares. If you guys have any doubt regarding this phone, you can just comment. I'll reply and in the best way I could. Frankly, I think this is a good deal because you are getting 128GB iPhone 7 for around 28,000 rupees. If you are using credit cards, you can get, I think, 5 or 10% cashback also. So it's really a good deal. If If there is any issue with the phone, I think you can just return it. I have purchased another phone previously from Too Good, and it had some issues, and I returned it and the refund process was smooth. So I don't think there is much to worry about that, unless we have tampered with the device or something like that. Yeah, let me accept all these terms. We'll create a passcode temporarily. It's asking for an Apple ID. I will skip it for now. Terms and conditions, settings, etc. By the looks of it, display seems to be original. The battery is almost half charged. The apps are getting loaded. I think it may take a couple of minutes to get everything set up. Going to the settings, I can see that it's 128 GB and everything is there. It's mentioned. Software is also latest. Everything is smooth. Yeah, it already showed me an update for software. Let me check the camera. Camera seems to be okay. Video also the same, it's working fine. Let me check the battery. Battery health statistic is still getting generated. I think it will take some time for the initial battery health to be generated. I will leave the comment about how the battery and all everything is, but ideally it should be 100%. There is not even a single scratch. I have checked everywhere, and when port and everything looks ultra clean. Yeah, this is definitely a good deal. Hope you guys liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe so that others can also get to know my channel and find this video helpful. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.